Here's a 2017 Chevy Cruze hatchback. 1LT with the RS package in electric blue. One owner with a clean Carfax. Just doesn't get any newer than this, guys. I shouldn't even have to call this vehicle a used vehicle. It only has 1,000 miles on it. It was a local trade. Gentleman just got a little bit of health issues and had some trouble getting in and out of it due to his leg. He was having some leg problems, so he actually ended up trading it in on a little more comfortable vehicle for his concerns. So that's how we were fortunate enough to get this vehicle, and as you can see, it is beautiful. It is like new, and it has all the good stuff at a very affordable price. We'll start here with the high-intensity headlamps. You got your LED fog lights down there in the bottom fascia, driving lights. You can see the RS badging in the lower fascia there. A lot of chrome accents, dark blacked out grille. Really looks good. A little bit of smoke to those headlamps as well. Gives a really nice look. Continue around to the side. You can see a multi-spoke alloy wheel here. Of course, brand new tires, 1,000 miles. Brand new brakes and rotors, 1,000 miles. Got a nice little pinstripe was added to kind of break up the color. Looking in through the back side here, you can see the options. I just want to say one thing we really do pride ourselves here at Thomas. Do a full mechanical evaluation of the vehicle signed off by the technician. You can find that report in the glove box of all of our cars. Cloth covered seating, 2 buckets with console flows in between, automatic transmission. You can see some brushed aluminum chrome accents around the louvers as well as the door handles. See, it is equipped with the upgraded Bose sound. Let's look in the back here. As you can see, very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room. I mean, this isn't the compact segment, but it's very clean and very spacious, really, for this type of vehicle. Transport 5 people very easily. You can see hand-cooked matching tires, brand new again. 1,000 miles, and scuffs or scrapes on that wheel. Brand new rotors on the back. Continue around, you can see the LT badging. Of course, it's a Cruze. We also want to show you it does have a factory backup camera. It's hiding underneath by the license plate there. Let's pop the hatch. I want to show you that you do have this nice little privacy cover, 40/60 fold down on your rear seat. Do have a spare tire down there, which isn't always the case on these compacts, so it's nice to know you do have a spare. You can see the trunk space is very ample, even though it is a compact car. Continue around to the driver's side, again, just focusing in on the tire and wheel area. Like new tires, no scuffs or scrapes on that wheel either. And we'll give you a look here through the back again. 1,000 miles, non-smoker, no rips, tears, stains, odors, still smells like a new car. Still has that new car smell in there. And you can see full power seat here on the driver's side, unlike the passenger. Also like to show you the key. As you can see, it's got the integrated key fob. It does have the factory equipped remote start, and it is a proximity key. Let's continue the tour here. Windows, locks, mirrors. Let's jump in. Just want to show you, other than the mechanical evaluation, there's the auto history. Keep it right on the dash. You can see one owner. Bought it new, local from McConnellsburg. Put our foot in the brake, hit the start stop button here. Oh, I'm sorry, 1,400 miles. I said 1,000. A whopping 1,400 miles on this car. Also can see here, you got your automatic headlamp control. We got your dimmers here, push button for your fogs. Got your high beams, turn signals, intermittent wiper washers, cruise control, Bluetooth. This will toggle our center. You can see tripometers, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure monitoring, instant fuel economy, back to your digital speedometer. It's your factory equipment, radio, AM, FM sound, ability to pair your phone, satellite as well on the radio. It does not have factory equipped nav, but it does have nav through OnStar. Have your ability to pair your devices, send your messages right to the center screen. Dual climate control, heated cloth seats, driver and passenger, automatic temperature setting. Also got your audio controls up top. We got, there you see USB, 12-volt power supplies hidden behind those doors. Automatic transmission, ability to select any of the gears within this top toggle switch, up and down, 2 large cup holders. Traction control, nice little pocket there to keep some things. A little well in there as well. Does have the factory roof, nice feature. Well equipped. There's your OnStar, auto dim on your rear view, illuminated visor. Let's pop the hood and check out that. We'll leave the engine running so you can hear how quiet this is. As you can see, it is the EcoTech I believe it's a 1.4 liter turbocharged Ecotec engine. Of course, it looks like a new one. It already has 1,400 miles. See, no exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks. Very, very clean, quiet, and efficient. Now, shut the car off. We'll get into the next portion of the video. And as I explained about the mechanical evaluation and the history report, the last part of an informed buying decision, what's it look like on the outside? You know, this thing's only been on the road for 1,000 miles, but we can pick up a little chip like on that fender. Other than that, though, we're not going to find much. I mean, it's very much like new in its condition. It was garage kept. Gentleman didn't bang it or beat it around. He's actually a very conservative individual. Couple little tiny little chips back here, but this is going to be an easy one to do a walk around for you guys because it is in like new, near perfect condition. No issues on the roof line there at all. No issues on the quarter panels. No dents. No dings. A lot of what I'm rubbing off here I think might be stone chips, just a little bit of dust. Sharp, sharp car, excellent shape, low mileage, great new car alternative. Still does have the remainder of Chevrolet's comprehensive and powertrain warranties transferable to the next owner, so you can buy this vehicle with confidence. I got no other damages, guys. Little tiny rub right there on the hood, that's it. So we found one on the fender, one on the hood. I mean, if you're interested, this car is going to stay here long. Please give us a ring. Area code 717-485-4224. Look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I hope you found this video beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.